Okay, this is my buddy Mark White. You can see we're parked next to a nice little S2000. My friend Mark has a 03 Tiburon SE, which is the GT model. He has a Catback Exhaust with an air intake. It was pretty funny. 2 seconds ago, we had a guy go past us with an 07 Tiburon GT. He thought he was so cool. He did not sound anything like that because he had jack done to his car. That is one of the beauties about the Tiburon GT though. You can just put an exhaust, an intake on it, and a downpipe, and it sounds amazing. A couple little more cosmetics done, it looks amazing. Oh, that's... What is he doing? Oh, that... He would. See, look, you can pick up the chicks. He just picked up that chick randomly. What the... It just sounds disgusting. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Alright fellas, one more time and we're gonna call it. Or we're gonna call it now. Give it something. That right there, my friends, is just your aftermarket JDM exhaust. Full exhaust with the air intake on the 03 Tiburon SE model. Thank you guys. Check back in soon.